guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? In my today's video I'm going to review shampoo and conditioner by Keune. I'm going to talk a little bit about my favorite hair care products and how I maintain my hair healthy and long, but it's color treated, so it does require a special extra care. I've been using Keune for quite some time now. Well, I do alter it with other brands, but Keune is one really go-to brand that I really like because I know it takes good care of my hair. I even use Keune hair color when I color my hair at home. Keune and Hvala as well. I have a video on that. In case you're curious, you can go and check it out to see how I get this shade, this blonde at home. And as you can see, I need to touch up my roots. So my roots are level 6. My natural hair is like level 6, something like that. So I do need extra care when it comes to my hair, because obviously it's color treated and I use 40 volume developer. It's not a joke, you know what I mean. It can get really dry and damaged. So currently I'm using this design line by Keune. I really like the packaging as well. It's very, you know, posh and sleek. So I got a shampoo from their Keratin line and then conditioner from their Repair line. And Keratin line is this dusty rose color dot, and then Repair line is yellow dot. So this is how you can easily recognize them. So based on your hair needs and on your hair structure and whatnot, you can choose whichever line really suits you best. I chose Keratin and Repair line because Keratin is obviously something that takes care of your hair, that improves hair structure, and then Repair obviously because my hair is color treated, damaged, and because it's long and I'm trying to let it grow even longer. So that's why I really need something that will you know, just nourish it and bring back moisture to it and make it great looking. So as I've said, I do alter these products with some other hair care products. I at the moment use Keratin and also Kalos, which is really great, inexpensive brand, but Keune is something in between, I would say. Kalos is very budget friendly, very cheap. Keratin is like this high-end, super expensive range of hair products, and Keune is like somewhere in between. I mean, it's available in your local drugstore. I personally buy it or in Bipa in Croatia or in Drogerimarkt, and it's accessible definitely, but it's a little bit more pricey than normal hair care brands that you can usually find in drugstore. So let's say this will be a bit more expensive than Garnier or Herbal Essences or L'Oreal. They did take advantage of 30% discount when my local Bipa drugstore had that for all hair care products. As I've said, I can really recommend these products to you. They're really great. Keune is a brand that is really known for a long tradition when it comes to hair colors and hair care in general, and I've been using their products ever since I was a teenager. Basically, I had this really cool hairspray that was not really giving you hold but just extra amazing shine, and it was absolutely fabulous. My must-have. It was quite expensive back then, but I know it was worth like every penny. So that was my all-time favorite. I don't know if they still make it. I also did try hair masks by Keune and obviously their hair colors, and I was always really pleased. Another thing that I really liked was a spray product that they have. I think it was protein hairspray that I used to use before coloring my hair. So that was one thing that was really, you know, preventing my hair from damaging when I was coloring it at home. So that was great. It was a spray in white bottle. I don't know if they still produce it, but I will try and Google it and maybe insert a photo here. So here is another recommendation for you, especially if you're coloring your hair at home. Now let's say a couple of words about the shampoo from the Keratin line. Shampoo is a very nice texture. It's very creamy. It lathers up well. and it leaves your hair very silky and very smooth, which is something I really appreciate, because some shampoos tend to really like squeaky clean your hair. So in terms that you definitely feel your hair is kind of dry afterwards, and they can leave your hair also a bit tangled. So you must use conditioner or hair mask afterwards, otherwise it would just be a complete disaster. But with this shampoo, this keratin shampoo, I even have the feeling if I don't use anything afterwards, I would be okay. Like if I ran out of hair mask or hair conditioner and I really needed to wash my hair, I could like wash my hair with this shampoo and just, you know, the result would still be fine. I wouldn't have a mess of a hair, like a nest on my head. So yeah, it's really nice. It's very nourishing for my hair, and that's why I'm definitely going to repurchase it, especially if you're looking for a really great hair care product that's not overly expensive. I think this is really great solution. And then obviously I do use conditioner. I do use a conditioner or a hair mask, just because, as I've said, my hair is color treated, really long, and it really needs some extra love and extra care. So afterwards I will use conditioner, repair conditioner. And this one as well is really nice because it's very fast. It's basically fast absorbing. You only need to leave it in for like 1 to 3 minutes. It already has effect on your hair. So let's say you apply this all over your hair, massage it well, and then I usually comb it through with my tangle teaser. Yeah, so be careful when your hair is wet. If you comb it, it might break easily. So what I do is I always use my tangle teaser, and it just glides through my hair. The hair is immediately so smooth and silky. The feeling is just amazing, and I really did notice it does repair my hair. I often say my hair has been through a period where I felt it was like weak and damaged because I had COVID. So it kind of took its toll on my hair. It started falling out, you know, and just when it falls out, when it's normal change of season. And I noticed it was just thinner and just weaker, and it took longer for it to grow. So I started taking really good care of it. I started taking collagen powder as well, which I did a video on, followed by a really great hair care routine. And I feel this conditioner really helped me, you know, to get my hair to the best shape ever. I always also use natural oils on my hair, so I can definitely recommend coconut oil, amla oil is great, then linseed oil. Those are my 3 favorite oils, but you can use avocado oil, you can use olive oil as well. So what I usually do is, before I will wash my hair, I will soak my hair with natural oil. It has to be natural, like 100% pure natural oil. I will really soak my hair, massage it in my roots, just put everything in a bun, leave it for a couple of hours, and then I will wash my hair, and then I will condition my hair, and this is the result. And I really like it. And this is something I've been doing for years. But since these are quite new products in my hair care routine, I've been using Keune, but I've been using some other shampoo and conditioner from Keune. So these 2 products from their design line I've been using for a month or 2, and I really like them. So that's why I wanted to do this quick video and share my thoughts about them. I hope it was helpful. Let me know, have you ever tried the Keune hair care products? And if you did, do you have a favorite product that you would like to recommend with me and with other people watching this video? I would love to know that. So guys, I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to say. Just a quick little review and a recommendation. Please like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more hair care videos, beauty videos, fashion videos here on my channel. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for sharing this video with your friends and family. It really helps me in getting a little bit more views and in, you know, just making this channel grow a little bit, which obviously motivates me, and I'm just so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much. I'm sending you big kiss from Croatia, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!